Hello guys, so in this video we are going to analyze Floki. So let's analyze it on weekly time frame, and currently I have marked this channel, and it is perfectly breaking this channel and going down. So let's go on daily time frame, but look at the Bitcoin move. I think Bitcoin is moved up $5,000, but Floki has not moved yet. It's still in minus. So Floki is looking very bearish currently, and I was waiting for some bullish candlestick pattern in this area because it was very important area. But bullish pattern is not formed, and there is only bearish pressure available. So if you have not subscribed, then must subscribe, and if you don't wanted to miss any trade in this whole market, then join our premium group. It will definitely help you. Now let's go into 4 hour, and currently downside break of structure had happened. Upside there was fair value gap, and that fair value gap is mitigated. So what we can expect now, let's check on 1 hour. Currently, according to volume spread analysis, this whole move is bearish. Why? Because there is very simple concept in which if volumes are increasing in the down move, and if volumes are decreasing on the up move, which means that it is bearish. Now it has tested this fair value gap, and also I will recommend join our volume spread analysis course. It will definitely help you. So let's check on 15 minute and 5 minute. So currently it has not formed any bearish pattern after mitigating this, but let me check. Yeah, currently there is not any bearish pattern, but if there is bearish pattern available, then you must go for the downside by placing stop loss above it, because currently long term investment is not recommended in this Floki, and according to its structure it's looking very bearish. On 4 hour already another break of structure happened, and it is going down maybe up to this much, but I am very upset because Bitcoin has moved, but look at this price behavior. So if there is good retracement in the Bitcoin, if up to 90k retracement happened, then it will again go a lot of downside. Bloodbath will be there, and according to volumes it's totally bearish. Now wait for 15 minute and 30 minute candlestick pattern, and try to go for the short side. Okay, and must watch this higher time frame channel. This channel will play important role, and must place stop loss with each trade, because without stop loss you will eventually liquidate your account. So instead of blowing your account, booking little bit losses can help you very much. Okay, so must go with it. And also our volume spread analysis course is recommended for you. There is a lot of concepts like buying climax, selling climax, and bullish pressure, bearish pressure, all those things. So you will early know, will be able to know that by just looking at this move you will be familiar that it is going up or it is going down, and whatever there is bullish pressure or bearish pressure, and market usually moves in those directions if volume gives good signs.